this video, we will show you how to change the country, region, and language on the Amazon shopping app. Before we begin, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Now, let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded and updated the Amazon app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it yet, head over to your device's App Store, search for Amazon, and update it. Once you have updated Amazon, open the app. Next, ensure that you're logged into your account. In the bottom right-hand side of the menu, tap on the three-line icon. After tapping on the three lines icon, you will see three options. Select Settings and tap on the drop-down menu. Once you tap Settings, another pop-up menu will appear, and you will see the option that says Country and Language. To change your country, region, and language on the Amazon app, select this option. As soon as you select it, you will be given the option to change your country or region. Currently, it is set to the United States. You can select any other region from the list. To change your language, tap on the language option and select the language you prefer. Depending on the region you choose, the currency will also be automatically selected, so make sure to choose the right option. Once you're done selecting your country, region, and language, tap on the Done button to save your changes. The Amazon app will reload, and you will see all the products according to the region you have selected. That's it! This is how you can change the country, region, and language on the Amazon shopping app. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next video.